Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Pearson Solutions. I am here again with another video. This time it's of Excel chapter 3 simulation training. So let's get started with this video. We will solve this training from step 1 to the last step. My connection is good. You need to have excellent very good internet connection to run this tab. So this is the first question. First step of this question: select the range A5 to D9. Here we go. We have to select this range. This is the range. We'll copy it. Oh sorry, it's not working. We have to select it in another way. Like it's A5 and D9. Here we go. It's A5 to D9. Use the insert tab to create a clustered column chart. In this training we will deal with charts and their formatting. Like this is the insert tab and we have to look for a clustered column chart. Here we go. We will look for it. This is clustered column. This is stack column. So we will hit that clustered column chart and it will be generated. So we have this chart. This is the clustered column chart, and the next step it is saying that cut the selected chart and paste it in cell H1. So for for cutting this chart you have to right click this and then hit that cut button. Here we go. It is cut and then it is saying that paste it in cell H1. Here we go. We have to look for H1. Where we go, where it is. Here is H1 and you have to simply press Ctrl V. Here we go. It is pasted in cell H1. Now in the first question we have insert a clustered column chart, and in this step it will deal with the formatting of this chart. Like it is saying that adjust the height of column chart to 3.5 inches and width to 5.3 inches. Like we have to press this tab, format tab of the chart, format tab of this chart. So we will need to first change the height. There we go. From here we can adjust we can reduce and we can increase the height. Like this we have to do it 3.5 and the width of chart to 5.3 inches. From here we will increase the width 1 2 3 5.3 inches. So this step is completed, and with this step this question is also completed. So we are moving on to the next question, like question number 2. We have to select the ranges A5 to B12. There we go. Here is A5 and B12. A5 and again we have to move on A5 and B12, and the second range is D5 to D12. For selecting this range, selecting two ranges at the same time, you have to select the first range, then press the control button and then select the second range. Like this is, there we go. So two ranges are selected, and use the recommended chart feature to create a clustered bar chart. Recommended chart feature. Here we go. Recommended. This is the button we need to press. There we go. We have to hit that button, and it is asking that you have to create a clustered bar chart. This is a clustered bar chart. So press that OK button. OK, it will be created. So we have this clustered bar chart. In the next step it is saying that change the chart from clustered bar to the default stack bar chart. Here is the clustered bar chart and we have to change it. We have to change it from here, like change chart type, clustered bar to the, we have to change it from clustered bar to the default stack bar. Here is the stack bar chart default. It's default, so we will hit that OK button. It will be changed. Now it is saying that you have to move the selected bar chart to the chart sheet name bar chart. We have to select that chart, it's already selected. Select that bar chart and then hit that button, move chart. So we have to move it to the new chart sheet, like its name will be bar chart. We have to type the name of sheet here, bar chart, and we have to hit that button. There we go. It is moved from Outlook to the bar chart sheet. So this is the question number 3 of this training. It is saying that display the new job sheet. There we go. On the new jobs sheet, select the range A4 to B9. Here is A4 and we have to select from A4 to B9. We have selected and use quick analysis to create a default pie chart. This is the quick analysis button. We have to hit that and we have to hit the chart chart element. So in this under this dialog box we will find different type of chart like clustered bar, clustered column and pie chart, and it is asking us to create a default pie chart, so we will hit that button. There we go. So this pie chart is also created. Now we have to move this pie chart to a sheet named pie chart. So we have to move this chart from this sheet to another sheet. For this we will hit that button, we will hit this and then pie chart. There we go. So this question is also completed. Now we will move on to the question number 4. This is saying that display the Outlook sheet, select the range A5 to A12. Here we go, we have selected this range. So we have to select this range A5 to A12 and then press the control button and D5 to E12 and use the insert tab to create a clustered column combo chart. So in this question, in this tab, we have to create a clustered column combo chart. There are different types of chart, like this is the insert tab and we have to look for combo chart. Here we go, this is not combo, this is statistic chart. I think this is the combo chart. We have to click that and we have to look for clustered column combo chart. This is clustered column line, this is clustered column combo chart with line on secondary axis. This is the clustered column line on secondary axis combo chart. So we will hit that button and our question will be completed. So here is the combo chart. Chart is selected. Just look at that. This is the combo chart. And now it's saying that you have to move that chart from that sheet to the chart sheet named combo chart. So we'll hit chart design and then move the chart to new sheet. We have to type the name of that sheet here. There we go. So our question number 4 is completed. Now it's moving on to question number 5. It is saying that you have to type this one, new computer related jobs by 2019, as a chart title. So we have to put this as chart title. Select the chart title. There we go. This is the chart title. We have to bold the title and then change the font size to this. So This part of this tab is related to the formatting of the chart title. So we will hit home tab, we will hit bold, and then we will change the font size from 16 to 18 from here. There we go. So this step is completed. Apply the black text one font color to the chart title. So this step is also related to the formatting of the chart title. We have to apply black text one. This is where it is located. It is saying that it will be in the second column and the first row under the theme color. So this is the font, second column, first row. There we go. This is the second column, this is the first row, second column. So we will hit that. So this question is completed. Now we are on question number 6. Use the chart element button to display the primary horizontal axis title for the column chart. Type job title as the axis title. We will select this chart. We will select this chart, and then we will hit that design tab, and we have to add the chart element. What it is saying that you have to display primary horizontal axis title. Here is the axis title, and here we go. Here we have primary horizontal axis title. So just hit on that. So it is displayed. Look at that. It is displayed. Here is the axis title, primary horizontal axis title, and you have to type this text in that primary horizontal axis title. There we go. We have to hit that button. There we go. It is completed. Job title. And in the next step, it is saying that apply dark blue font color. We have to change the font color of this horizontal axis title, dark blue. Here we go. I think this is the dark blue, so we'll hit that button. This is dark blue. Modify the vertical value axis so that maximum bound is this one. This is the horizontal. This is the vertical axis, so we will double click that, and we have to, so the maximum bound, we have to change the maximum bound to this value. Here is the bound, and here is, we'll hit that. Change the vertical axis display units to 1000. We will drag this down, we will drag this down, and there we go. It is saying that display unit. We'll hit that down arrow and then change the display units from none to thousands, and then close the task pane. We have to close this. Apply dark blue font color to the value axis. Value axis is already selected, and we have to apply the dark blue, and we have also applied dark blue to the horizontal axis already, so it's selected here, dark blue. This is dark blue. We will just hit it here. Oh sorry, it's not working. We have to select it separately. This is dark blue. Oh sorry. Sorry, I was just formatting these values, but we have to select value axis title. These are the values, and this is the value axis title. We have to change this dark font color to the dark blue, so we will do it from here, like this is dark blue. So this question is completed. If you need help with this course or any course in any assignment, exam, test, whatever you want, I'm here. Just hit me on WhatsApp or email. I will do it for you at very fine cost. Just hit me on WhatsApp or email. Thank you so much. So we are on question number 7. We have to display the inside and data labels on the pie chart. So from where we have to display the data label, just hit that chart element. These are the data label. We have to hit that arrow, and it is saying that we have to select the inside end. There we go, and close the chart element. From here we will display the, we have to format these data labels. Here we go, we have to hit that button, then press more option. Then it is saying that you have to just display the percentage data labels and then remove the value data labels. We will move down, we will remove the value data label, we will include percentage data labels. Okay, and then close the pane. This is what we have to do. There we go. Data labels are already selected for us for this step. We have to format these data labels, and it is saying that apply bold to the data labels. We will hit this home tab and then we will hit bold. We can also do it by just pressing the Control plus P, so bold formatting will be applied. Apply an 18-point font size to the data label. We have to change the font size of these data label. It's 9, so we have to make it 18 too, so it become clear and easy to read. So there we go, it's clear now, and question is also completed. We have to open the format chart area pane. Double click here, it is open. Format chart area, this is the pane, and it is saying that apply the blue tissue paper texture fill to the chart area of the pie chart. So we have to select from here, chart area selected, we have to apply fill. There we go, we have to expand this, so it is expanded, and we have to hit on picture or texture fill. So we have to apply blue texture paper. Now just this is texture, and we have to change the texture from default to the required one. Required one is blue tissue. I think this is the one, blue tissue paper. There we go, we have to hit that. Use Alt text pane to enter this text. We have to include the period at the end of the line. If you will not include it, it will not be completed. So we have to do this step again and again if we will not include the period at the end of the line. There we go, it's included, and then you have to close the alt text pane. There we go, from here we will close it. Apply the red solid fill color to the computer system analyst slide. For this, we have to first look for this slide, this is the slice computer system analyst. This is not on, this is the slice we are looking for. Solid red fill, this is solid, and then red, this is red, and then explode the computer system analyst slide. We have to explode, point of explosion by 10%. Hit the enter button, then close the task pane. We have to close this, it's closed. So, and our question number 8 is also completed, so now it's moving on to question number 9. So basically this question deal with the formatting of the chart that we have already created. Bar chart is already created in the last step. From here we will deal with the formatting of this chart. So the first step is we have to change the chart style. There are two ways to change the chart style. This is the first way, like we can change the chart style from here. This is like shortcut. We can also do it from here. We have to apply the chart style 10. This is style 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10. This is the chart style 10. This is 9, sorry. This is 10. We have to hit that. And our question is also completed. Now it is saying that you have to display the Outlook sheet. Here is the Outlook sheet. We have to display it and then click the column chart. This is the column chart and change the data source from that one to that one. How to change the data source I will show you. We have to select the data. It's C9 here and it's D9 here. So we will change this D to C and this step will be complete. This is the way. With the chart, in the next step with the chart, column chart selected, switch the rows and column. This is selected and we have to switch the rows and column like this values will be here and computer analyst will be the first one, and like this it will be formatted in this way. We have to select this chart and then hit the chart design and then hit switch rows and column. There we go, and our question is also completed. So we are moving on the last step of this simulation training, Excel chapter 3. If you need help with anything related to that course, I can do complete course for you from first to the last chapter. I can do final exam, midterms, test and simulation training, assignments and everything. Not just Excel but also SS, Word and PowerPoint. And I also do other courses like accounting, finance, statistics, mathematics, project management, operation management and all writing stuff. So just hit me on WhatsApp or email if you need any help, and if you need course management, I will do it for you, and like I did for thousands of students from past 7 years. So just hit me on WhatsApp or email if you need help. So we are on the last step of this training. We have to insert the line spark line in the range D6 to D12. Here is D6. We have to select from D6 to D12. It's selected and insert. We will go to the insert tab and then line spark line data. We have to select the data range and it's B6 to C12. Here we go. We'll hit that button and select the option to show markers. Spark line is created and we have to show the marker on the chart. We will hit we'll check that box. There we go. Markers are shown. And in the next step it is saying that apply a dark blue spark line style dark 4. We have to change the style of the spark line so that D6 to D12 is selected, and here is the style. From here we will change that style. Dark blue spark line dark 4. Dark blue spark line dark 4. It's blue spark line, and here we go. We have to change from this to this. There we go. It's change. Change the spark line marker color. These are the markers like points at the end of each line. These are the markers and we have to change the color of that marker to dark red. There we go, marker color, and then we have to change the color of marker theme color to dark red. There we go, in the standard first one, dark red. And in the last step of this training, modify the vertical axis of the spark line so the minimum and maximum values option are both set to the same for all spark line. From here we have to change vertical axis minimum value same for our spark line, and in the last we will deal with the vertical axis maximum values option same for all spark line. There we go. This step is completed and our simulation training is over. Assignment is over. We have to click OK button to submit the assignment. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Please refer me to your friends and classmates. I can do that course for you. Just hit me on WhatsApp or email. Thank you so much. You can check the grades. These are the grades. 100%. If you want 100%, then hit me on WhatsApp or email. Thank you.